Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, December 9th. Each of us can find a way to transform a painful past into a hopeful future. We can all develop compassion for others and compassion for ourselves. We can tell a new story of ourselves. And the new story admits that yes, I have caused pain and suffering. And it also recognizes that the harm I have caused in the past is not who I am today. Self-forgiveness is truly at the core of peacemaking. And we cannot build peace with others if we are not at peace with ourselves. In the next few sessions, we will look at how we can create a world of peace by making a world of forgiveness. But today, let's summarize what we have learned about self-forgiveness. First of all, when we don't forgive ourselves for past mistakes, we become imprisoned in the past. If you haven't sought forgiveness from your victim yet, do so when you're ready. Forgiving yourself will be easier after you have sought forgiveness from your victim. Even if this forgiveness is not granted, it will still be easier for you. We don't heal in isolation. Connecting with others is how we develop compassion and self-compassion. Before we do our meditation practice today, let me read a poem offered in this section of the book. As always, listen with your heart and let your heart hear what it's ready to hear. I am generous to you and miserly to me. I can banish the harm you caused me from the smallest corner of my heart. It has no root or residence in me. But the deed I have done fills me with shame and pain. I cannot make myself whole again. I cannot forgive myself. If my tender heart is truly there for you, it must be tender for me too, soft and yielding, kind and forgiving. I must allow myself to come face to face with my own humanity. I can break free. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Don't try to watch your breath like a hawk. It's not about focusing on your breathing. It's about just feeling yourself breathe in and out. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breath, so that all the experience of the present moment, all the physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Our practice today is called breathing compassion, and it's as simple and profound as it sounds. So keep following your spacious breath without obsessing about its length or depth. And as you breathe in, visualize love and compassion entering you like a golden light. Maybe the stream of energy comes from your crown chakra and goes down to your roots. Maybe it comes in at your root chakra and goes up to your crown. Or maybe it enters at your heart center and fills your entire body with light. Whatever works for you is perfect. Make this visualization yours. Enjoy it. Each inhale fills you with the golden light of compassion, and each exhale helps you radiate this love and compassion outward into the world, completely effortlessly. I will be silent for a couple of minutes now, so that you can connect to your direct experience without the distraction of my voice. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for all the deep, powerful work you've been doing on the path of forgiveness. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you go, gently let go of your practice. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate that each of us can find a way to transform a painful past into a hopeful future. Each of us can embark on the path of self-forgiveness. And this is how we're going to build peace with others when we are at peace with ourselves. Today, I will also post the stone ritual for the self-forgiveness part of this series. So check it out either in this group or in our Mindful Mornings private circle group. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.